Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, I'm my grandmas. And hey, if you're new stopping by, want to check out, be a part of the Glamour family, hit that subscribe button. So, you guys, it is time for the giveaway. I am excited. So, today, the 17th, we're going to do a giveaway. And today's 17th is a special day for me because my nephew slash son was born today, Javon Lane, making him 26, I want to say. And his sister's birthday, Jada, was yesterday on the 16th, making her 13. Yeah, they mom, my sister Dawn, big gap. But anyway, so it's time for this giveaway. So let me see if I can pick this box up, y'all. Oh, Lord, not like this. Lord, not like this. Okay, I don't think this gonna be. This ain't going right. I don't think I can do this. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm dropping stuff. I'm dropping this humongous. But here, all this. Okay, gotta get what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna drop stuff. Just a minute. I get back to myself. Everything failed. Just a minute. Okay. I got my little bubble wrap here. You know, got some special items in here. Get back, ready, set, go. This will be my first giveaway. So I am nervous and excited and sad. I am bipolar everywhere right now because I told you I never mind the music back there, right? The commercials, my husband watching the Chicago Bears. But anyway, hopefully it's not too loud or disturbing. But the items that I'm giving away are the items that I started my makeup journey with. So no, they're not all high end, they're not all low end. They are different products that help me along. That's my phone, I'm sorry, got distracted. So I can learn and teach myself. And of course, you know, YouTube, while the tutorials I was watching helped a lot. My cousin Mickey helped a lot in my makeup journey here. And I am excited. I'm trying to get this piece of hair. There you go. Glamour also is working on her website. I am for hired in the Chicagoland area. So let's get down to the details, okay? I'm gonna go over the questions. If you guys wanna write them down, you can, and I will repeat the questions so you guys could get them, okay? Get the questions. Okay. Okay, ready, set, go. These are the 4 questions. Number 1, what do glamour means to you? Not my definition of glamour, your definition of a glamour. Again, what do glamour means to you? Your definition. Number 2, what inspired you to follow glamour? Again. Number 2, what inspired you to follow glamour? Number 3, without this question, I wouldn't be a glamour. How many glam babies do glamour have? Again, number 3, how many glam babies do glamour have? Number 4, who produces the music on glamour tutorials? Again, who produces the music on Grandma Tutorials? Those are the 4 questions. These questions is easy. For winner number 1, and you know, guys, I don't do odd numbers. I just don't do odd numbers. So, winner number 1, not only will you get your face done by Grandma if you in the Chicagoland area, you also will get makeup. And you will get, hold on, make me check my notes. Right? You will get 18 items from that box. The makeup will be at your choosing. We will either FaceTime, Messenger, stuff like that. We will agree on a date and time to get your makeup done. You have from the 17th of today to a year. So within the year, you have to get your makeup done and schedule a date and time that which both of us will agree on it. Okay? Now understand, if you are outside Chicago area, you cannot get your face done by Grandma. That means it will go to the second place winner. Okay? For a second place winner, you would get 6 pieces. No, sorry, second place. 12 items of makeup from me at your choosing. The third place winner will get 6 items, whatever is left. And the fourth place winner, okay, will get 4 items, whatever is left. So I'm excited about this. Let's do this. So under this video, you will answer the questions. 2 weeks from now, which will be, let's see, 2 weeks from now, what will be the 3rd of December. I will be announcing the 4 winners on the 3rd of December, and that is on a Tuesday. Okay? Now, to enter in this contest, you will have to follow Grandma on YouTube. You will have to be subscribed to Grandma. The items I'm giving to you guys, it is bittersweet. I'm glad that I can give back to the ones who have supported me. Even though I got only 200 followers. And honey, I am glad with that because I've been doing this for only a year. And some high influencers of the makeup world reach out to me and say, Grandma, for the number that you got, it took us at least 2-3 years to get that number. So I'm patient. I try to do all range of makeups from young to middle age to older, whatever your gender, whatever. Because makeup is about fun. It's about beauty. It's about being you. It's about creating. It's an art. And when you have this art, you need to express it. And that's why I'm doing this giveaway. Now, I know there'll be a lot of YouTubers maybe who already got channels who want what I have or want. But I'm going to let you guys know that the YouTubers that's already established, the makeup that I'm giving away is more like a starter kit for somebody who is interested in learning makeup, doing a makeup tutorial, and don't really know where to start and buy products that they can practice on, because I didn't have that option when I started my channel. I just went out and bought some stuff, got in front of my camera, and there it was. I was, so of course I got all type of skin complexions here because of course I didn't have an eye for my, foundation. So I was picking anything, bronzers and all that. But, excuse me, but this makeup that I'm giving away is more like a starter kit for someone who wants to be in makeup. Even if they want to do it on themselves, even if you guys just want to do it on yourself, you might not want a YouTube channel. You just want to just learn how to do makeup. The stuff I have in here is where you should start, and it's a starter kit for people or people who just love makeup. It depends. Like I said, who's going to win the contest. And that's it. So like we said, the 17th, which is today, on Javon's birthday, we're going to start. And again, we're going to go back to the date of the 3rd. We're going to announce the winners, and their stuff will be sent out and shipped to them. So thank you again. Until we speak again. No grandma, grandma.